Starting my day with a bowl of cereal with raw oats has become a comforting routine. It's quick, easy, and fits perfectly into my raw vegan lifestyle. This morning ritual symbolizes my fresh start and commitment to find convenient, balanced meals. Each day, I strive to discover unique ways to maintain comfort and satisfaction within this lifestyle. It extends beyond the plate. I make time for myself to be entertained and nourished by things beyond the fork. I also decided to change my thoughts and views about the lifestyle. I decided to say that it's simple. I created a routine that makes it simple. I now write down my grocery list and meals meticulously to avoid impulse buys and ensure I always have a healthy, balanced meal. Packing my meals before leaving my home has become second nature. This journey has been transformative, and I finally feel I've achieved a happy, healthy balance. For lunch, we are having tacos. I've never been a fan of collards, but pairing them with the right ingredients transform their flavor and texture, creating a profound taste experience. Including a variety of foods is essential. It provides a diverse range of vitamins and minerals, preventing deficiencies. I used to rely heavily on my favorite foods, which led to a high-fat diet. Now I focus on balance and have noticed significant improvements. My fat intake has decreased, fruit sugar consumption is more controlled, and I enjoy a greater variety of nutrients. I'm excited to share this journey with you and hope that you find your own balance. All recipes are included in the description of this video for your reference. I always encourage my daughter to try new meals because kids are often picky and brutally honest. If she likes something, I know it's a winner. Today, she ate 2 tacos and I was blown away. These tacos were incredibly satisfying, and the collard leaves had a firm texture that reminded me of a taco shell. It was perfect. So, dinner is always my favorite. I keep it light but fulfilling. This evening, we're having sushi, and I have to say, I make the best sushi rolls. I always load it with a variety of ingredients for a burst of flavors. On this journey, I've realized that I'm not a fan of many veggies on their own. Peppers seems flavorless, carrots taste dry and plain, and sprouts are bitter. But when combined, they create an amazing dish, and I couldn't imagine leaving any of them out. If you struggle with eating veggies or getting your kids to enjoy them, try mixing them with other ingredients and see how everyone falls in love. Instead of soy sauce, I use coconut aminos. It's the best flavor ever. I can't just stop with sushi. We have to have a side of rainbow salad too. Although sushi is delicious, I often still want more, so pairing it with a salad takes it to a next level. I'll be using the same dressing I use for both the tacos and sushi, which simplifies meal prep. Using prepared ingredients across different meals makes this lifestyle simple, as I mentioned before. As a disclaimer, I do not add dressing to my salad, but as a dipping sauce on the side. We hate soggy salad. While I usually eat my salad with my hands, I'll be using a fork today since I'm sharing it with my daughter. My biggest accomplishment is introducing her to a healthy lifestyle that many children don't experience. With today's food becoming more toxic, I want to teach her how to prepare nutritious meals. I'll be heading out today, so I'm packing a few meals to take with me. Although it seems like a lot of food that I'm making today, I'm prepping for my daughter too. I want to ensure we both have meals and juice while we're out. With the hot weather, we're focusing on melons and water for hydration. One major lesson I've learned on this journey is not to be afraid of starting over. If you've been following my raw journey, you've seen me navigating the ups and downs to find a healthy balance. My journey is not perfect. I'm not perfect. This lifestyle wasn't taught to me. I figured things out through research and trial and error. I'm glad to share my experience with you so you can see what it's really like to live raw and even juice cleanse. Don't hesitate to start over every day if you need to. Mastery doesn't come on the first few tries. So I need to run out quickly to pick up another item for tonight's prep. I always prep before bed. Tonight I'll be making infused ice cubes for my juices and mocktail, which are my go-to summer drinks. It's not quite summer yet, but the weather feels amazing. I'll also be making homemade vitamins, but we'll get into that shortly. I'll be using agar-agar powder, a gelatin alternative, to create a vitamin blend with green tea, organic maple syrup, lemon, elderberry, and a green vibrance powder blend. Green vibrance include all essential nutrients the body needs, so everything is covered. Making things at home supports my gut health, which I love. Don't rush into going all natural because it'll feel overwhelming. Take baby steps and make little adjustments along the way. This allows you to feel at ease on your journey. As I mentioned, all recipes will be included in the description of this video if you would like to try any of them out. I highly encourage you to do so if you are considering going raw. Maybe you need to play around with your ingredients to your liking, but for the most part, I think you will love it.